These guys want some bananas. Oh, they're loving these bananas, huh? Oop. Hey, buddy. You looking for a banana too? Oh, man. Okay. Watch out, buddy. Let me just take this bag in here. You guys, you want one? You get one? All right, everybody's got a banana? Okay. You want another one, pal? Yeah. Hey, buddy. Yeah. That's it. You didn't get one up there. Oh, they're well enjoying it. Hanging out in the trees now. Having a nice lunch. Look at them all. Wow. Yeah, nice, huh? We're all up in the trees right here.
G'day.
Hello. You like banana?
You have a green banana?
Yeah. There's no bananas on this mountain, that's why.
Oh, that's it. Sorry.
You guys having a good old time? Yeah, you having a good time? Here's a piece for you, pal. Good, right? All right. Well, it was nice seeing you guys. How many did I count today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. They're in the trees. They're hiding in the bushes here. Oh, wow. Hey, buddy. You didn't get a banana? Oh, boy, sorry. I'm all out. 16 bananas later. All right. I'll see you later, pal. really nice waters here. Yeah. Greens and blues. But another spot here, having some lunch with my pals. Enjoy, everyone. Talk to you later.